Live look at Sky Harbor Airport right now. The delays do continue, but are improving after that global tech outage. About 36 flight delays, 4 canceled. So just check your status before you head over to the airport tonight. Of course, the outage hitting a number of sectors hard, including healthcare. Banner Health had to close down a number of clinics.
Yeah, and ABC 15's Patricio Espinoza speaking to patients who showed up for appointments only to learn they had to turn around.
And I'm here right on McDowell and 16th Street at one of the Banner's health centers, and the whole place has been shut down. I just talked to a man who came from Surprise, drove about 50 miles, he tells me, but he couldn't get his CAT scan done.
And others had similar stories. Patients showing up only to be greeted with the news of the day. What were you coming here for?
For labs, for lab work.
But no luck?
No,
Everything closed down?
Everything's down, yeah.
And then we met David.
I was trying to get wound care today. I had major prostate surgery, and we're unable to get any help because of the outage.
And there is Miguel, who woke in only to walk right out within minutes. So your wife had an appointment, pero ¿qué pasó? What happened?
Oh, que se cayó el sistema. No
the system is down. The massive worldwide IT outage hitting healthcare systems all across the country. Here, Banner Health. An internal memo went out to Banner employees early Friday morning indicating they will be temporarily closing most ambulatory services. But this afternoon, urgent care was back up and running. According to the same internal memo, IT at Banner needs to physically interact with over 30,000 devices to get systems going again. Dr. Foley is a retired Banner physician.
This has happened from time to time at various centers over the years. The electronic medical record system would go down. So they just jump in, and they've done this before. So they'll step in and they'll say, okay, we're going to do paper records on this patient. Of course, it's difficult for the physicians because they're not used to doing paper records, but nevertheless, that's what the model is.
Private practices outside Banner, keeping most records in-house, are not affected.
Now, we've had our systems go down in the past, primarily when we lose power. And in those cases, we continue to see patients. Because we know our patients well, most of the time, it's all right up here.
And so for now, at least for Banner patients like Beatrice and her mother, it is wait and see. Tell me, you come in to see your sister.
Yes.
She's in the hospital.
Yes.
But what have you heard?
Well, we heard that everything is shut down with Banner, that her surgery was scheduled for 10 this morning, and now they had to reschedule them.
In Central Phoenix, Patricio Espinoza, ABC 15, Arizona.